Hi friends, this video shows how to use Quick Share with Nearby Share. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. In this video, I am going to send one file using Quick Share and receive that file in another phone using Nearby Share. First, in this phone, I am going to select one file. So let me open this My Files app. Then go to Images. Then select one image. Then tap on Share. And here you can see Quick Share. So I am going to select Quick Share here. Let me select Quick Share. See, Quick Share is waiting for nearby device. It's searching for nearby device. Then in second phone, tap on the settings app icon. Then search for nearby share. Then tap on nearby share. Then we need to enable this option, device visibility. Then tap on device visibility. Then select everyone. Done. Then please wait. After some time, this phone name will be visible here. So let me check what is the name of this phone. You can see its device name is Ankita's phone. So you can see that name is visible here. You can tap on that name. I was connecting. Then in this phone, just select accept. Done. You can see the image here. Okay. So this way we can use Quick Share with Nearby Share. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Ulta is also possible. You can send file using Nearby Share and receive using Quick by Share. Okay. So please check it.